son.
Okay. So I'm saying these two are twins. These other two are also twins. And yeah, the rest. Yeah, this is also a twin. So the best thing to do with these indigenous goats is to breed those ones that give birth to twins. And also those ones that give birth regularly, twice a year. That way you are safe. Because as you can see, they don't have a lot of meat, like the Boer goats. Although they have meat, but if you can produce them as many as possible, then you are on the safe side. You can make money, okay?
Yeah.
And making money through twins is better. Yeah.
Okay.
So, you also have got a pen.
Yeah.
How does it look like?
Mine, it's more or less the same as this one, though with a concrete wall.
Oh, with a concrete wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, with a concrete wall.
Yeah, that's very professional, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger.
It's How bigger. Many animals do you have?
Like currently I have around, 50 sheep.
50 sheep. Oh, the indigenous ones.
The indigenous ones, and it can also accommodate. It still have a big space.
Okay.
That can accommodate the goats.
Okay.
Yeah.
So but the goats you are here to rear.
Yeah.
You are here to breed them.
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
That's why you are here.
That's why I'm here.
Okay. So tell us of your plan.
Yeah.
With your.
With my goat.
With your project, your animal project. Yes.
With my animal project.
Yes.
Yeah, just like you're saying, because I can see.
Yeah.
My sheep, they normally give birth like very fast. So when you talked about the goat project, when you posted it on Facebook, I decided to come and see so that I could pick some and go and try, because I've been dealing with sheep only, but I want to mix them with the goats. Okay. So that I can increase the animal project into a way whereby I can start selling the goats, like during the Christmas festivals. Yeah. And due to the fact that this breed gives birth like twice in a year, meaning that like if I have one, within a year I can be having like 4. Yes. So if they are increasing in number, then it will be easier for me to sell, to reduce them, and then within a period, if I can sell like, let's say like 10 or 20, meaning that within that same period, when I'm offloading them, then within that period of 1 year, some are increasing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's so great. So I wanted to mix the sheep and the goat so that I see how that project can take me to. Okay. Yeah. But maybe you'll have to build another pen so that you don't mix them. Or if you have got that pen, maybe you can separate. You can partition so that the goats are on one side and the sheep. It is already partitioned. Oh. The only thing that I didn't have an idea about is creating a bed for the goats. Oh. So I don't know whether the sheep also like climbing up. The goats especially like climbing up. The goats. Yeah, but even the sheep, for hygiene, it is good for you to make a bed for them. Because they will be having droppings and urine and all that. Do they climb, or I'll have to be making them to climb? You can just even just create, just a raised platform. Put a platform at an angle. That's just,